12 questions have been asked in the January 2024 session of JEE Main Mathematics examination from the chapter Probability. Out of those 12, the first 4 problems we have already discussed in an earlier video. In this video, the next 4 problems are discussed in detail. This is the 5th question. We were in first question in this talk, and this question has appeared in the JEE Main exam held on 30th January 2024 in the first shift. The given question is, a group of 40 students appeared in an examination of 3 subjects, mathematics, physics and chemistry. So the group has 40 students. It was found that all students passed in at least one of the subjects. That means n of M union P union C is 40. And it is given 20 students passed in mathematics. N of M is 20. 25 students passed in physics. N of P is 25. And 16 students passed in chemistry. N of C is 16. And it is further given, at most 11 students passed in both mathematics and physics. That means N of M intersection P is less than or equal to 11. And at most 15 students passed in both physics and chemistry. That is N of P intersection C is less than or equal to 15. And it is also given N of M intersection C is less than or equal to 15. And you are asked to find the maximum number of students passed in all the 3 subjects is. That means you have to find out the maximum of N of M intersection P intersection C. The maximum of N of M intersection P intersection C. So that is the question. Right. For your ready reference, here is the problem. Given N of M union P union C is 40, N of M is 20, N of P is 25, N of C is equal to 16. It's also, so here is the Venn diagram. So the M, P, C, the number of students passed in that. And N of M union P union C is 40. And it is further given N of M intersection P is less than or equal to 11. At most, so it is given at most 11 students. N of P intersection C less than or equal to 15. N of C intersection M is less than or equal to 15. And now what is to be found? The N of M intersection P intersection C and the maximum of N of M intersection P intersection C is required to find. Right. So now let N of M intersection P intersection C is X. That is this portion. This is the common to all the 3. Right. N of M intersection P intersection C complement is A. That means in the M intersection P, those people who passed in P but not M and P but not C, let that be A. So this is A. M intersection P is this portion, but not C, means this X you have to remember. This is A. Right. Now N of M complement intersection P intersection C is B. This is your B. And N of M intersection P complement intersection C is C. This is the C portion. Agreed. And if you write down these things as a disjoint union, then counting becomes easy. That is why we have done like this. Agreed. Now we have M intersection P. How do we get M intersection P? M intersection P intersection with C union C complement. C union C complement is the universal set, the whole thing. whole thing, then it is M intersection P intersection C union M intersection P intersection C complement using distributive laws. Right. So now you take the number of elements present in it. So n of M intersection P intersection C plus n of M intersection P intersection C complement is equal to n of M intersection P. Why it is plus? It is plus only because it is a disjoint union. The intersection is empty. Right. Right. Now see, what is n of M intersection P intersection C? X plus n intersection P intersection C complement is A. Is n is equal to n M intersection P is at most 11, is less than or equal to 11. And if I want A, then it will be less than or equal to 11 minus X. This will imply 0 less than or equal to A less than or equal to 11 minus X. So A cannot be negative. So A will be 0 less than or equal to A. A is greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 11 minus X. That means 0 is less than or equal to 11 minus X. That means X is less than or equal to 11. Right. It's a rough estimate what we have got. So let us take X is equal to 11. So X is less than or equal to 11. So you are thinking the maximum could be 11. So let us take X is equal to 11. Now we continue this further discussion in the next slide. Right. That's what we have. So X is less than or equal to 11. Let X is equal to 11. If X is 11, then what will be A? A will be 0. Why? X is 11, then 0 less than or equal to A less than or equal to 0. That means A is 0. A is 0. So let us mark this. X is 11 and your A is 0. Note down, this A is 0. Right. Right. So now let us say this is P. This is P. And this is so P plus B plus 11 plus A is the number of students passed mathematics. That is 20. So P plus B plus A plus 11. A disjoint union. That is why it is easier. Then what will be P plus B? A is 0. So it is 11. 20 minus 11, that is 9. So let us say this is Q. Then Q plus A plus 11 plus C is equal to 25. And in this, A will be 0. So 11. 25 minus 11 is 14. Q plus C is 14. Right. The next, this is R. Then R plus B plus 11 plus C is 16. And in this, R plus B plus C is equal to 16 minus 11, that is 5. Agreed. No problem. Now, further, P plus B plus 11 plus A plus Q plus C plus R. That is the total number of students. That is that group, order of that group, that is 40. That part. Now P plus B is 9. Q plus C is 14. A is 0. Substitute these things. Then you will get 9 plus 11. A is 0. Q plus C is 14 plus R is equal to 40. And what will be the answer? The answer for R simplified. You will get R is equal to 6. 11 plus 9 is 20. 20 plus 14, 34. 40 minus 34 is 6. R is equal to 6. Suppose I put R is equal to 6. R is equal to 6 in this. Then what do you get? B plus C will be minus 1. So then B plus C is equal to minus 1 because R plus B plus C is 5. But B plus C is minus 1. This is not possible. And B and C, whatever numbers they are appearing, they are greater than or equal to 0. They can't be negative. So when you add, you can't get a negative value. This is not possible. That means your assumption that X is equal to 11 is not true. So X is not 11. Therefore, x is less than 11. Therefore, x is less than or equal to 10. 10. So, suppose if you can show us for 10, all these things are true, then 10 will be the maximum. Then the maximum number of students passed in all the 3 subjects will be 10. That is going to be our answer. Let's see whether 10 works or not. Right. So we have this, and let x is equal to 10. X is equal to 10. If you put x is equal to 10, then it will be a is less than or equal to 11 minus 10, that is less than or equal to 1. A less than or equal to 1 means a must be equal to 1. A cannot be negative because a is a positive integer. So a is equal to 1. So x is 10 and a is 1. So this is 10 and a is 1. This is a is 1. Right. Right. This is possible. This is possible. Right. Now, as we have seen earlier, P plus B plus A plus 10 is 20. Then P plus B will be 9. And Q plus C plus A plus 10 is number of students who passed physics, that is 25. And simplify, Q plus C is 14. So also R plus B plus C plus 10 is 16. Then R plus B plus C will be 6. Right, right, right. Now, let take a special case. In one situation, this is possible if you can show, that is sufficient. Therefore, let us take B is equal to 1, C is equal to 1. B is 1, C is 1. Then P will be 8, Q will be 13. So, P will be equal to 8. P plus B is 9, B is 1, so P is 8. So, also C is 1, Q plus C is 14, Q will be 13. And R will be R plus 1 plus 1, that is R plus 2 is 6, R is equal to 4. R is equal to 4. Yes, this is working out, something like that. So, let us see the picture. So, the Venn diagram, this is 10, this is already 1. And this is 1 and this is 1 we have put, and P is equal to 8, Q is equal to 13, R is equal to 4. Yes, this works. But one will ask a question, sir, is this condition true? N of M intersection P is less than or equal to 11. M and P, it is less than or equal to 11. It is exactly 11, less than or equal to 11. P and C, 10 plus 1, 11, less than or equal to 15. C and M, 10 plus 1, 11, 11 less than or equal to 15. Yes, it works. It works, all these conditions are working. So, this means, this shows that the maximum number of X is 10. That is, the maximum number of students passed in all the 3 subjects is 10. So, that is our answer. The answer to this question is 10. And that is the detailed discussion of the solution of the given question. And most probably, many of the students might have thought the answer is 11. The answer is 11. But the answer is 11 doesn't work, therefore it is 10. And further, this question is classified under probability, but this question is actually to be classified under sets and counting. Anyway, so that is the detailed discussion. I am sure that you have understood the solution of this problem, and we will move to the next question. Question number 6. This question has appeared in the JEE Main exam held on 30th January 2024 in the first shift. The given question is 2 integers x and y are drawn or chosen with replacement, note down, with replacement from the set consisting of the integers 0, positive integers, non-negative integers 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 10. Then the probability that mod of x minus y is greater than or equal to 5 is, and we are given 4 options. So you are given a set consisting of 0, 1, 2, 3, 10, and 2 integers x and y are to be chosen with replacement from this set, and required to find the probability that mod of x minus 5 greater than 5, mod of x minus y is greater than 5. That probability you have to find. Agreed. Agreed. Let's now discuss the solution of the problem in detail. We are given xy belongs to the set capital A, where capital A is the set consisting of 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 10, and given x and y are chosen with the replacement. That means we choose x. After choosing the x, whatever the outcome what you got, again you put it in the whole pool, that is 0, 1 to 10. So then y is chosen. Then y is chosen. The sample space. So here a pair of elements are chosen, x and y. So the pair of elements will come from the ordered pairs of A cross A. A cross A. The ordered pairs will come from A cross A. Let that be S. That is our sample space. Then n of S will be n of A cross A. That is n of A into n of A. That is 11 into 11. That is 121. Now let's move to the next slide for the further discussion. Agreed. That's our question. And we have brought you a table. Now, xy belongs to the set consisting of 0, 1, 2, 3, 10, such that mod of x minus y is greater than 5. Agreed. Now we have to find the total number of favorable cases for this. So let us say x, y from this set, and how many ways this can be done. So let us take x is 0. When x is 0, what could be y? So y cannot be 4. Why? 0 minus 4 is less than 5. Therefore 4 cannot be 10. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, they don't, 5 also, they don't work. So if you take 6, 0 minus 6, 0 minus 6 is 6, 6 greater than 5. Right? It works. Everybody will work. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number of ways will be 5. So if I take x is 1, the choices for y are 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? Number of ways is 4. Take x is equal to 2. The choices for y such that mod of x minus y greater than 5 is 8, 9, 10. The number of ways is 3. If it is x is 3, the number of choices for y is 9 and 10. Number of ways will be 2. When you take x is equal to 4, there is only the one that will work. 4 minus 10, that is 6 greater than 5. 4 minus 9, 5. 5 greater than 5 is not possible. Therefore, all those things below 10 doesn't work. So, the number of ways is 1. Suppose I take x is equal to 6. X is equal to 5. Sorry, x is equal to 5. Then, we don't find any y such that 5 minus y is greater than 5. No value. That is empty set. So, that means 0. Suppose I take x is equal to 6. 6 minus 0, that is 6 greater than 5. 6 minus 1, 5. 5 greater than 5 doesn't work. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 10, they don't work. So, 0 only works. Therefore, number of ways is 1. 7. Number of ways 0 and 1. Number of ways is 2. 8. 0, 1, 2. Number of ways is 3. 9. 0, 1, 2, 3. Right. 4. 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 minus 4 is 6 greater than 5. 10 minus 5, 5 greater than 5 is not possible. Therefore, they don't work. So, up to 4 they will work. The number of ways will be 5. If you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in the above, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the below. In the middle, it is 0. So that means the number of ways will be 2 times of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So that will be 30. These are the favorable cases. And the probability is 30. Number of favorable cases by the total number of cases, that is 11 into 11, that is 121. 30 by 121. Let's look at our options. Our answer 30 by 121 appears against option 4. Therefore, the answer to this question is option 4. That is the detailed discussion of the solution of the problem, and it will be little difficult, but is not difficult at all. But it is a little bit difficult. So it will take some time. So anyway, I am sure that you have understood the solution of this problem. We move to the next question. That is the third question. We mean to say 7th question in the serial. So this question has appeared in the JEE Main examination held on 30th January 2024 in the second shift. The given question is, bag A contains 3 white and 7 red balls, and the second bag B, contains 3 white and 2 red balls. Agreed. One bag is selected at random. Out of this bag A and bag B, one bag is selected at random, and a ball is drawn from that selected bag. From it, the probability of drawing the ball from the bag A, if the ball drawn is white, is 4 options are given. You have to find the probability of drawing the ball from the bag A if it is given that the ball drawn is white. Right? That's the question. Let's move for the discussion. Let's now discuss the solution of the problem in detail. We are given bag A. The bag A contains 3 white, 7 red balls. We have another bag B. It has 3 white, 2 red balls. Let us say even with the event of the selection of bag A, and E2 with the event of selection of bag B. Right. Let E be the event of drawing a white ball. Probability of drawing the ball from bag A if the ball is drawn white. So E is the event of drawing a white ball. Agreed. Now the probability of drawing the ball from the bag A if the ball drawn is white. So how do you say? The probability of even given E. Probability of even given E. So even means the event of selection of bag A. E means the event of drawing the white ball. So for this, we will use the famous Bayes theorem. Let's recall Bayes theorem. The Bayes theorem states, if an event E can occur only with one of the n mutually exclusive and exhaustive events Ek, k is equal to 1 to n, in our case only 2, even E2, and the probability of E given Ek are known, then the probability of Ek given E is equal to probability of Ek intersection E by the total probability of E, and that will be equal to probability of Ek multiplied by probability of E given Ek by sigma k is equal to 1 to n probability of Ek multiplied by probability of E given Ek. Agreed. This is a very famous Bayes theorem which you might have used quite a good number of times. So this is equal to, apply this here, probability of Ek is our even. Probability of even multiplied by probability of E given even, that is the numerator, by k is equal to 1 to n is 2 only. Probability of k is equal to 1 to 2. Probability of Ek multiplied by probability of E given Ek, direct use of the Bayes theorem. And let us see once again, probability of even multiplied by probability of E given even by expand this. K is equal to 1, k is equal to 2. Agreed. Now what is probability of even? Probability of even is equal to probability of E2 is equal to 1 by 2. There are two bags. Selecting one of the bags is 1 by 2. Probability is 1 by 2 because they are even and E2. Out of that, one you have to choose. So probability of even is equal to probability of E2 is equal to 1 by 2. Right. Probability of E given even is what? Drawing white ball. Drawing white ball from the bag even. Given even. In even from the bag B. In bag B, 3 white balls are there. You have to choose one white ball. So 3C1 by the total number 3 plus 7, 10. 3 by 10. Probability of E given E2, so selecting the white ball from bag B. In bag B, 3 white balls are there. And one white ball you have to choose, 3C1 by 3 plus 2. In bag B, total number is 5. Agreed. So now P of even is 1 by 2. Here P of even is 1 by 2. P of E2 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into P of E given even is 3 by 10 by 1 by 2 into probability of E given even is 3 by 10 plus probability of E2 is 1 by 2 into probability of E given E2 is 3 by 5. Simplify, you will get 3 by 3 plus 6, that is 3 by 9, that is 1 by 3. So the answer to this question is 1 by 3. The 1 by 3 appears against option 3. Therefore, the answer to this question is option 3. And that is the detailed discussion of the solution of the problem, which is the application of Bayes' theorem. And it is definitely an easy question. And I am sure that you have understood the solution of this problem. We move to the next question. Question number 8. This question has appeared in the JEE Main examination held on 31st January 2024 in the first shift. Right. The given question is 2 marbles are drawn in succession, that means one after the other, from a box containing 10 red, 30 white, 20 blue, 15 orange marbles. So how many total will be? 10 plus 30, 40, plus 20, 60, 60 plus 15, 75 are there. They are there in that box. 2 marbles are to be drawn in succession, one after the other, with replacement. That means after you draw one, then that ball what you got, it is again replaced into the box, and the total number will remain the same, with the replacement being made after each drawing. Then the probability that first drawn marble is red and the second drawn marble is white is, we are given 4 options. You are required to find the probability that the first drawn marble is red and the second drawn marble is white. Agreed. Let's now discuss the solution of the problem in detail. It is given the box contains 10 red balls, 30 white balls, 20 blue balls, 15 orange balls. The total number of marbles in the box is 75 if you add them. Let A1 be the event of first drawn a red marble. What's that you want? You want the probability of first drawn marble is red. That is A1. That is the event A1. Then what will be the probability of A1? That is, you are drawing the first marble, the first time, a red marble. How many red marbles are there? 10. 10 C1 by 75. And that is 10 by 75. That is 2 by 15. Let A2 be the event of second drawn marble, which is a white marble with replacement. So the total will remain same. And drawing a white marble, how many whites are there? 30. You choose one. So 30 C1 by 75. That is 30 by 75. That is 2 by 5. Now what is that we want? Note that A1 and A2 are independent events occurring in succession. Right? It's correct. You recall that probability of A1 intersection A2 will be equal to probability of A1 multiplied by probability of A2. The probability of A1 intersection A2 is equal to probability of A1 into probability of E2 because those are independent events. That will be 2 by 15 into 2 by 5. That is 4 by 75. So where is this 4 by 75? Again, it's option 4. Therefore, the answer to this question is option 4. That is the detailed discussion of this question, and so far what we have discussed is the detailed discussion of the 4 questions, that is example number 5 to 8, 4 questions which have appeared in the January 2024 session of JEE Main from the chapter probability. I am sure that you have understood the solution of this problem, all these 4 problems what we have discussed, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.